All right, so as you all know, I love a really good 360 laser, and that's exactly what this is. This is the H3 360G from Dovoh. They sent it to me, they wanted me to test it out, and I obliged because these things are awesome. Now, I'm going to show you real close what it actually looks like here. And you can see it's got 3 different lasers, but those lasers are 360 degrees apiece, and it's pretty easy to use. And if we turn it on, it is self-leveling. You can see it has the vertical, but it does the whole room. Now, I am actually doing a project today where I have to put in a chair rail and the trim on the bottom. We're redoing my daughter's room, so don't judge me. It's a kid's room. It's going to be a mess. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get started on this, and you're going to see just how valuable this is because the chair rail goes all the way around, and that means we got to make it level. Let's get into it. Okay, this is where lasers actually shine. As you can see, the board doesn't reach all the way to the end, so what we're going to do is line it up on the laser. We'll hold it right there on it, just like the rest, just like this. It lines up perfect. And we're just going to tack it in with our finished nail gun. Now we can measure, cut the other piece, and this should fit perfect. Okay, so we have everything cut. Let's see how we did. How the laser's helping us here. All right, good and straight. Perfect. All right, perfect all the way across. All right, so that actually looks fantastic, and it has a pragmatic functionality, which this is just a pragmatic tool. All right, let's move on to something a little different. Okay, so one of the big questions is, how far does the laser actually reach? Well, I have a very long, interestingly long house. So from over here, that is roughly, I think, close to 70 feet from each side. So we're going to turn on the laser. And we'll get the vertical on there too. And let's go see if we can actually make it to the end. So this is going to be hard to see, but let's go ahead and move it out here. This is in pure daylight as well. So it's so daylight, but as you can see, if you look, there is a laser there, and you can see it over there. All right. Now let's go back over here. If we take a look, you can see it on that wall as well. It looks better in person, but you can see it pretty well. So let's see the trail. If we look at the ceiling. All right, so if we go over here, you can see the laser over there as well. So if you really need to line something up for a long distance, it will do the job. All right, so this manufacturer says that you can see this laser in the daylight just fine. So I got it up against my sea container. Let's get close and see if you can actually see the lines for yourself. So here's the center. I can see it. Can you see it? So the vertical line right here is more, I guess, prominent than the horizontal line that's right here too. So you actually can see it. That's a good thing. Okay, everybody, I'm outside. It's wicked windy outside, so I'm going to end this review, but I do got to say, this actually does a pretty good job, and a 360 laser is what you really need for those big projects. It goes the distance, and you get to see it inside. Everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, please share the video. When you share the video, it may help someone that may find this, and it may help them in the long run. There's so many different amenities that I didn't even talk about. I just don't have time in this particular video. But do me a favor, get out there, go build something. If you make a mistake, learn from your mistakes and share them with the next generation. We will all be better for it. And until next time, my name is Brent. This is Live Free and to Learn. See ya.